Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a WordPress portfolio. First, select a WordPress theme that inherently supports portfolio features, ensuring a seamless experience. If your chosen theme lacks this, simply install and activate a dedicated portfolio plugin. Once installed, locate the new portfolio section within your WordPress dashboard. This is your starting point for showcasing your creative work to the world, making it accessible in just a few clicks. Now let's add your projects. Navigate to the portfolio section and click Add New Item, much like creating a blog post. Here, you'll upload your best high-resolution images and videos, ensuring your work looks stunning. Craft engaging descriptions for each project, detailing your process, challenges, and the successful outcomes. Aim for about 100 to 200 words per description to provide ample context and impress potential clients or employers. Organizing your portfolio is key for user experience. Utilize categories and tags to group similar projects, making it easy for visitors to find exactly what they're looking for. Next, create dedicated portfolio pages or sections on your website to display your work prominently. Take time to customize the layout and design, perhaps choosing a grid or masonry style to perfectly align with your personal brand and aesthetic, creating a cohesive visual story. Finally, optimize and share your incredible work. Compress your images to ensure fast loading times, which is crucial for user experience and search engine optimization. Actively share your portfolio across various social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Behance to reach a wider audience. Remember to update your portfolio regularly, perhaps every 3 to 6 months, with your latest and greatest projects, keeping it dynamic and showcasing your evolving skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.